Hello friends. Today, let's break down Axis Bank, one of India's largest private banks. Let's see what the numbers are saying. Let's start with revenue. 10 years ago, Axis Bank earned 30,736 crores in revenue. Today, they have crossed 1,28,564 crores, an impressive climb showing about 14% average growth per year over the last decade. The most recent 3 years were even more exciting. Sales grew by a fast 23% per year, thanks to a big turnaround after earlier slumps. But the path wasn't a straight line. From 2018 to 2020, growth dropped sharply down to just 1% in 2021, thanks to a storm of bad loans slamming the sector. Then the bank staged a strong comeback. 2023's revenue jumped 27%, and 2024 soared nearly 29%. This marked a classic cyclical rebound story: slow down, clean up, the sharp recovery. Expenses grew from 9,944 crores to 50,249 crores over 10 years. The biggest piece, no surprise for a bank, is interest, which grew from 18,703 crores to 72,014 crores as the bank's borrowing and lending scaled up. Manufacturing costs stayed low, steady around 1.7 to 2% of revenue. Employee cost hovered near 10%, very stable, showing Axis kept its people cost in control even as the bank expanded. Other costs were volatile, shooting up to over 45% of revenue during tough years, but recently dropping below 24% as tech efficiency moves and cost cuts kicked in. That sharp decline in other costs is a hidden gem. It signals Axis is running much leaner now than in its tough years. Financing profit was hit hard during the down years, going negative in 2017, but rebounded in a big way, now back to 6,300 crores. Financing margin now stands at 5%. Other income now contributes a hefty 29,958 crores, more and more essential as banks shift to digital and service-led growth. Axis Bank's net profit tells the full drama. From 6,311 crores in 2014, profits fell off a cliff in 2018, just 464 crores, but then staged a huge comeback, hitting 28,003 crores in the latest period, a more than 5,900% increase from the bottom. That's not a typo. This is a remarkable rebound. EPS rose from 26.86 rupees to 18.97 rupees over the decade, echoing that comeback. Return on equity bounced back from single digits in the bad years to a robust 16% now, higher than its 10-year average. Return on equity sits at 7.11%, normal for a bank. Dividend payout is just 0.09% yield. Most profit is being reinvested for future growth, not paid out. Debt to equity is 7.43, typical for banking, reflecting leverage from deposits. So, the growth pattern for Axis Bank is the cyclical recovery. Early years of steady growth, then steep challenges from 2018 to 2020, ending in deep profit cuts and heavy loan loss provisions. But after cleaning up the balance sheet and investing in digital, Axis jumped back to high growth post 2021, both in revenue and profit. So, overall, Axis Bank's latest years have shown record breaking turnaround, faster growth, much higher profits, and stronger returns for shareholders. The hidden gem is how the bank slashed other costs and used digital transformation to boost both profitability and stability. This isn't a steady, slow compounder like some banks. It is a big cyclical name that comes out of a tough phase swinging. For investors, it is a story of resilience and rebound, with lessons in both risk and reward. If you found this breakdown useful, subscribe to Wealth Growth Club and drop your next company suggestion below.